والصلاة والسلام على رسوله الأمين محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين. Here in the Aisha Mosque on this Friday, 27th of March, I am talking to you, my dear brothers and sisters, while you are not present in the masjid. But I believe that your hearts, your minds are attached with the masjid. And everybody is missing, and especially the opportunity of Jumah and that gathering and that beautiful reminders every single Friday and that prayer, everybody is missing that. But inshallah, Aziz, I believe Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is recording everything and writing everything down for you, and your reward is safe with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. I will be reminding myself first and then to you all that Allah Almighty has said in His beautiful book, كَلَّا بَلْ رَانَ عَلَىٰ قُلُوبِهِمْ مَا كَانُوا يَكْسِبُونَ, that these are the evil actions of the people who has covered their hearts with the rust. Our hearts that rusty, Prophet peace be upon him has said that إن القلوب إن هذه القلوب تصدأ كما يصدأ الحديد إذا أصابه الماء. These hearts also get rusty as the water does, and oil get rusty because of the water. And the companions of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam have said, O Prophet of Allah, what is the way out? What is the cure? How to get rid of that rust, the rust of the hearts? And Prophet peace be upon him told them, the kathratu dhikrul mawti wa tilawatul Quran. Remembrance of the death excessively, and wa tilawatul Quran, and the recitation of Quran. These are the two things we need to carry on with. We need to look carefully in it. That if we are reminding ourselves and we are remembering the death, and everybody is very, very vigilant about his death, that on the day, one day is come and the moment will come and I have to leave this world. I have to depart from here. And once when I depart, finally I'll be resurrected on the day of judgment, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be holding me answerable before Him. This is actually kasratu dhikrul maut. This helps us to get rid of that rusty hearts. And Allah Almighty is not only at one place, in many places of the Quran and many ayat of the Quran, Allah Almighty is talk about the qulub of the human beings. And He has mentioned different types of qulub. So there is a qalbul qasi, there is a qalb with ran, qalb rainy. Qalb rainy means the rusty heart. Qalbul qasi is really hard, very hard. A heart with hardness. And that is also said that إِلَّا مَنْ أَتَى اللَّهَ بِقَلْبٍ سَلِيمٍ. The best and sound and beautiful heart is the one who is qalb salim. The one who is coming with that sound and immaculate heart, he will be successful on the day of judgment. Now, this morning we were studying the hadith. If you have remembered and if you have heard that hadith, Prophet peace be upon him has said that when somebody commits any sin, there is a black dot stains on his heart. And if he returns and if he shows his repentance to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and he comes back to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He removes that spot on his heart. But if he continues with all the sins, continue to committing the sins after sin, that black dots and spots are covering his heart. And nuqtatu sawda, those black spots covering his heart. And then if he does tawbah, if he repents, again sutila qalbuhu, his heart is clean and polished. So we need our heart to be clean and polished every day. Every time we commit any sin, It is Allah Almighty and Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam's teaching that we return to Allah Subhanahu Wa Ta'ala and make tawbah. Once a person does tawbah, Allah Almighty listens his tawbah and Allah Almighty accepts his tawbah, and his rusty heart becomes an immaculate heart. And this is what we need for the success in the hereafter. May Allah give us tawfiq to continue with this. And all those beautiful a'mal which actually helping us to get that immaculate heart and sound and polished heart and clean heart, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala lead us to those a'mal, inshallah al-aziz. And in this difficult time when we are away from the mosques, for the reason you know, it is more needed to get closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. May Allah give us tawfiq and to act upon his advice and the teaching of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillah.